আজকের লেটারটি হচ্ছে ফেভারিট গেম সম্পর্কে। সাপোজ ইউ আর রিমন, your friend is সুমন. He wants to know about your favorite game. Now write a letter to your friend about your favorite game. Dear Shumon, thank you for your letter. You wanted to know about my favorite game. Everybody loves to play. I also like games and sports. The name of my favorite game is cricket. I like to play and watch cricket very much. Now, it is a common and popular game in the world. The game is played between two teams of 11 players on each side. It teaches us discipline and unity. It keeps our body fit and ensures the refreshment of the mind. I want to be a good cricketer in the future. I play it with my friends in the afternoon. No more today. Write to me about your favorite game. Your loving friend, Rimon. এরপরে আমরা পোস্টাল স্ট্যাম্প দিব। পোস্টাল স্ট্যাম্প লেখার নিয়ম হচ্ছে ফ্রম লিখতে হয়, টু লিখতে হয়,